But for today, we're gonna go through working on this truck, the things that I ran into that I found a little bit frustrating, so that you guys hopefully don't have the same issues that I ran into. So one of the greatest things about this engine is it's not an overhead cammed engine. So when you remove the head, you don't necessarily have to set the engine to top dead center. However, after you put it all back together and you need to adjust the valves, well, at that point you're gonna need to set it to top dead center. So as you can see from the last video, we have a lot of parts ready to go. I'm excited about getting ready to get into this job here. I would like to thank today's sponsor, my wife. Okay, I'm just kidding, I don't have a sponsor. But if you guys do like what we're doing on Southtown Garage, feel free to hit that like button. Consider subscribing, because when you hit the like button, YouTube likes it, it'll push our videos to more people. So let's go grab our favorite beverage and sit back. Coffee. Okay, let's get to this. I already have a video about how to remove injectors. Feel free to click that video. The link is at the top right-hand side of the screen. In order to take the last 3 push rods out of the head, you have to take the cowling off. And you can take a look at that video right here, top right-hand corner of the screen. Once that was removed, there's a couple plugs in the back that you would take out in order to take those last 3 push rods out. Thankfully, Dodge did give that a thought because you wouldn't be able to get this head off if that wasn't for those little things. So the holes are right here, and there's another one back here where these little boots come out. So that's where you can get your push rod out right there. The other thing I ran into is also the temperature sender and the coolant hose going into the back of the head on the driver's side. I cut accidentally the fuel hose as well as the heater hose and found the tensile strength of that sensor, and I'll be honest, the sensor broke before the wires did. So do yourself a favor, when you're about to take this head off, make sure you reach your hand in behind and just make sure that there's nothing connected to the back of the head. The hose I accidentally cut was right here, fuel hose, and then the coolant hose there, and there's the end of the sensor. It's a 1-wire sensor, which is so awesome when you break something like that. Hey guys, thanks for watching this episode of South Down Garage. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing. Let us know how we did in the comments. And again, if you had any other things that you want to see more in depth with regards to taking a head off these trucks, please let me know. I recorded a lot of content with taking this head off. Until next time, guys, go out there, have some fun, work on your stuff, do something you haven't done before, push your boundaries, And I hope to see you on another episode of Southdown Garage. And check out this other video here for the next stage of this build. Until next time, have a wonderful day.